Next. Ready once again. Race number 3. And the race is on. Friends for Never from the outside. Moving up by the rails 9 Dragon Divine Wisdom. Tony P on the further outside. It's now 9 Dragon Tony P Divine Wisdom. Friends for Never. It's now 9 Dragon by about 2 lengths, followed by Tony P. And on the outside is entry number 10. This one is Pleasure Giver. And inside the last 600, 9 Dragon Tony P, Pleasure Giver, Scott Lanyard and Jai Ho is running in 5th. And rounding the far turn, Tony P, 9 Dragon, Pleasure Giver on the outside. Jai Ho moving up to take for Scott Lanyard, and Pure Joy alongside is Be My Queen and Senor Bon as they race the last 500. Tony P in between runners 9 Dragon, and on the outside Pleasure Giver. Jai Ho is running in 4th as they race the last 250. 9 Dragon Tony P on the outside, Pleasure Giver. 9 Dragon running by the rails, Jai Ho. 9 Dragon Tony P. Jai Ho moving up by the rail. 9 Dragon Jai Ho is running by the rail. Jai Ho moves up by the rail. And finally, Jai Ho. 9 Dragon Tony P. Be My Queen and Pleasure Giver for your Fentafecta.
Naku.